Over
mage
here.
touches me,
We have
I'm
much
punching
to
them.
discuss, you and I.
Hello all.
Something on your mind?
Finally! I was beginning to think you'd never show up here. Glad to see that my calculations and speculations proved correct. I assumed you'd eventually show up here, and as usual, the Great Mage was right. Now, come closer.
Have his heart.
Ah, excellent. You got my message. Apparently that little creature isn't completely useless. Banekin can be such children. I hope you've nothing pressing. We could be here a while. I can't be strutting around the city wearing my imperial regalia, can I? Your concern about my fashion sense is touching but irrelevant. I've called you here for a reason. If we are to determine a course of action, we need more information. By now, it should be clear your prophet Emperor brought these catastrophic events upon us. Everything that transpired is his fault. Granted, Minimarco can be very persuasive and charismatic when he wants to be. We all believed him when he said we could change Varen's bloodline with the Amulet of Kings. You saved Varen's life when you rescued him in Cold Harbor. In return, he lied to you about his true identity and his part in causing the Soul Burst. He manipulated you from the very start. Perhaps the better question is, why don't you blame Varen? Varen wants to assemble a new group of companions in the vein of the original five. Claims it fulfills a prophecy in those wretched scrolls of his. Superstitious nonsense, but he is quite correct on one point. We need to find Sai Sahan. In the chaos following the Soul Burst, Sahan stole the Amulet of Kings and fled the Imperial City. We're going to need that relic, and he is the only one who knows its current location. He was captured by Minimarco's agents and taken to an undisclosed location. We need to find out where he's being held. Minimarco keeps his most secret documents at Knife Ear Grotto in Deshaan, inside a hidden lair of Daedric cultists. We must travel there and search for clues. Head to Knife Ear Grotto in the eastern mountains of Deshaan. I will meet you inside. If I can endure Titanborn's inane prattle, I can survive your assuredly erudite elucidations. Proceed.
You ever fought the daggers?
A few times. And the Dominion when I served in Shadowfell.
Is it true their soldiers drink the blood?
The Emperor did keep the peace.
We race fine horses.
Race you there? I wouldn't have seen this without you. Be warned, I fight dirty. What are the chances this is a cozy delve?
It's about time. Let's get started.
You think you'll win?
king of worms?
I can and I shall. Where is the Amulet of Kings?
You cannot break the will of a son of Yakuda. I spit on you.
So, Sai-Sahan is alive and he has not been broken. An important piece of the puzzle, to be sure, but where is he being kept?
Back to oblivion. That was fun.
Chin El Adabar, the Amulet of the Kings of Glory, an artifact of the Divines, a badge of office for the ruling emperors of Cyrodiil, and the key to my ascendancy.
Let's make some noise.
Exploiting its power to bring about the calamity of our age was intoxicating. It made me aware of the limitless possibilities available to one strong enough and fearless enough to use it to achieve his own ends. The amulet has the power to create or destroy, but it also has the power to undo the damage caused by the soul, to mend the tear in the barrier between nerve and divinity. The Red Guard's iron will cannot be overcome with standard interrogation.
He knows of our plan to use the amulet to support him. We must rescue Sai-Sahan before he can be broken.
Instructed to move Sai-Sahan into the halls of torment. The Duchess will be most pleased to have a new guest. His flesh is strong, but perhaps the tortures of the mind will break him. I have come too far to allow this upstart sword master to thwart my plans. I will find the amulet one way or another.
This is the information we've been looking for. At last, Sai-Sahan has been taken to the Halls of Torment. Oh yes, it's Cold Harbor's most nefarious prison. It's an effective tactic. Of course I can. I am Abner Tharn. But first, I have a bit more research to do. Go back...
Fight it! Go, round! Now!
Set the blaze! Sorry, bees, but this one's ours.
An unexpected visit. What brings you back, Vestige? At last! Where can he be found? Well done. I will begin searching for a safe route to the Halls of Torment immediately. I was going to say that a river flows and we are slaves to its current, but I am done with riddles and metaphors. I don't know what awaits us. I'm not a prophet. I'm just a foolish old man who glimpsed... When Tarn returns, we will combine our resources. We will find a path to these Halls of Torment soon enough.
Honestly, inspiring. Don't forget to check for bugs.
The guild requests your help. Being lowborn must be awful. I couldn't stand it.
What's your opinion of the Fighters Guild?
I've never had a problem with them.
You don't regard them as upstart amateurs?
The guild is apolitical.
Would you care?
Master Merrick, where are you?
Put a cork in it, Tharn. Size my friend. Probably the best friend I have. If the vestige
The
is
time
going,
has
I'm
come
going
for,
too.
indeed, Abner, our friend. We have been able to... Dearest Snap.
And you are the most qualified. Why? Is it your superior knowledge of Cold Harbor? Your expertise in dealing with Daedric entities? You look perplexed.
Go with Abner. Save Saisahan from the halls of torment.
Hard snowing outside.
Where is the Amulet of Kings?
Shake the soul gem to hear if they scream? Thanks! I needed a stretch.
What's this? It looks like me.
Where is the amulet?
What in damnation is going on here?
Or I'll gut you like a fish with your own sword.
Witness the deadly power of my dark sword, Simmons.
Going down.
Witness the deadly power of my dark sword, Simmons.
Quick!
How touching. Your friends are here to save you. Pity they arrived too late. It's time for your next round of torture. You'll enjoy this one.
Well, that was unnerving. Can't say that I've ever had to kill a version of myself before, but I must say, even as an evil doppelganger, I'm a very capable opponent. They were a legendary group of Redguard swordmasters, wiped out in the First Era by the Yokudan Emperor Hira. Sahan spent years trying to resurrect their ancient traditions, but failed utterly. He considered it his greatest failure. The torturers here are using Sahan's memories and darkest fears against him in an attempt to break his will. He and I were never close. In truth, I enjoyed mocking him. I had no idea how deeply it affected him. Interesting. Oh, please, we're adults, aren't we?
Have some unwanted visitors in the hall. Let's make them feel welcome, shall we?
Hey there, friend! I have so many questions about that last mission. How did the Seyth Thalmor know we'd be in Auridon? Or that Hyacinth would be alone at the Garland Ring base? And they had a hideout in Greenshade? Why didn't we know that? You'd think so, right? But so far, all Hyacinth will tell me is that he's too busy for my antics. And Wisteria threatened to punch me if I didn't leave it be. So I decided to go over their heads and finally got an invitation from the gardener himself. Oh, he's no big deal. Just the founder of the Garland Ring itself. The cultivator of all our spy-like activities. A font of sunshine and hope and all the other stuff the ring stands for. And he loves riddles. Here, take a look. Don't mind the sparkles. Just reach in and grab the note. Go ahead, reach into the... Whoa, a brand new greenhouse. The gardener must be taking this Saythalmor threat very seriously. That must be why he used a riddle to disguise the location. Could you make any sense of it? Bellerata. Oh! Bellerata's not a who, it's a what! There are ruins in Melibal Tor called Bellerata. They're just south of Volkwaston along the Xylo River. They've got broken arches for sure. That's half the riddle? What about the rest? Honestly, every time I go to Volkwaston, I end up, well, let's say I don't have any clear memories of the area, but I think there's a little island near Bellerata. But what sort of ring can you grow? Let's head there and find out. I'm glad I waited until you were available. We make an... Sure thing, friend. I'll tell you... Not a clue. Oh, not at all.
Your friend always had the opportunity to free himself. All you need to do is reveal the location of the Amulet of Kings, and you can all be on your merry way.
That was fun!
Enjoy your visit. You'll never leave the halls of torment alive.
I got what it takes.
The Amulet of Kings!
They're after the amulet.
Don't worry, my love.
Hey, it's your funeral.
She seems to be drawing power from those stones. Destroy them, quickly.
Move the flank!
And still beating.
Be warned. I'll fight dirty. Time to feast!
Too late. Once again. Come, my friend. Time for your next session.
Vestige, hold a moment. Well, well, well. Wasn't that a charming little scene? I can't wait to tell Titanborn all about it. Are you as blind as your vagabond emperor? The first room was about Sahan's failures. This room is obviously an attempt to leverage his subconscious desires. So, our Redguard friend has a secret crush on the half-giant. How revolting. Please. Titanborn has all the emotional depth of a Frost Atronach. But who knew Sahan was that sentimental? Then again, he did resist her charms. Good thing, too. That truly would have been a farewell kiss. I can only assume she's Sahan's personal torturer. I have a sneaking suspicion we'll be meeting her again very soon. Come, let's keep moving.
We don't get many visitors in the halls of torment, but there's always room for a few more permanent residents. Such tenacity, such ambition, such bravery. Such a pity we're going to skin you alive and feast on your intestines.
You can understand all that?
Fools! Time is meaningless in the halls of torment. Whether it was a death or 1,000 years, Sai-Sahan will be frozen.
You're stuck! Move!
Where is the Amulet of Kings?
Where is the Amulet of Kings? This can all be over if you just tell me. You can finally rest. You'd like that, wouldn't you, Sai?
Have I been here 2 years? Or 2,000 years? I can no longer tell. But I will never break. Never!
I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai. Why didn't you protect me? Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai.
Ah, he's just fine.
Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! Failed, Sai. Why didn't you protect me? I should have
So warm here.
One Varen is torture enough, but 3 of them? That would drive anyone insane.
You protect me! I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai. Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai. Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai. Why didn't you protect me? I should have never trusted you! You failed, Sai. Why?
You dared to defy the Duchess of Anguish? I will tear out your heart and make you feast upon it. What death do you prefer, mortal? Slow and painful or quick and painful? I think I'll kill you quickly, then resurrect you and kill you slowly. An eternity of agony. It will be glorious.
Don't let them get to you!
Sai is in pain. Release his bonds, quickly.
I do not know you. Why are you here? Who sent you? The Emperor? He lives? This day is filled with wonders. They tortured me for many months. Years, perhaps. But I did not break my vow. The amulet is hidden and safe. My strength is returning. Lead on.
You have done it, Vestige. Bring him through the portal, quickly. Sai Sahan lives. You've outdone yourself, Vestige. The minds of some men can endure hardships far greater than anything that Daedra can concoct. The forces of loyalty, honor, and friendship are... We must recover the Amulet of Kings, but only when Sai Sahan has had time to recover. He is a man of great strength, but he will still need to rest after such an ordeal.
Where is he looking? As I am a Gosford. Ghost.
Sai locked the amulet away in the ruins of San Kotor and entrusted the key to one of his close associates. But he can tell you himself. Speak with him. He's eager to meet his liberator. I'll contact you when we're ready to move forward.
I owe you my life. My lord calls you Vestige. A strange name. Is it true your soul was taken from you? Stranger still. My people say that bravery and honor are the hallmarks of a great soul. Yet you have both of those things in great measure. I had begun to think that honor was a relic of the past. You give me hope. I cannot say. Physically, I am unharmed. But mentally, I feel a darkness in my heart. A weight on my soul. I do not know how long this emptiness will remain. I hid the amulet in a sacred catacomb protected by magical wards. The means of lifting these wards are in the keeping of my old mentor, Kasura. As soon as I am able, we must meet with her. I will try to rest, but I am a warrior. We cannot sit still for very long. And I should certainly bathe before we meet with Kasura. I am unpleasantly fragrant, and if she happened to be downwind of me, well, I would never hear the end of it.
Wanna have some smoke?
The path ahead of us is a dark one. But it pleases me to know that I shall walk the path with friends. May we all rest a little easier tonight. I know I shall.
You're getting good at this. How do you do it?
The 5 Tondos. Be right back, toilet is coming, I mean incoming, hold on. I go shithouse. Noodle Bolognese La Italia. More like Noodle Bolognese La Toilet now. Men, the construction dust also out of my nose. Thought it's never get done snotting. .40 min-max to play. Then work.
You lead and I'll follow. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, there you are. Come. We must talk.
Sure. No. And the fire department around here cause first snow and ice on road. Always the same. Next time we continue that main story. Gladly to say tomorrow morning until midday. Got a free day tomorrow.
By the fires of Cold Harbor, you'll burn for
That'll
this!
teach him. Spinning or just me?
Bless you, Savior. If you see any more of those Soul Reapers, destroy them.
Yes, in a moment. No, put that back. Jurakdar does not know why he bothers sometimes. Relics are old. I do not guarantee their potency. Headaches! Enough for 3! Tell these people I made no false promises. See how hopeless it is. So sorry.
Return my gold, or I will see you ruined.
Jurakdar has dealt with you fairly. Now go, please.
Give it back, you sorry excuse for a walking rug.
This would never happen in Somerset. That cat over there sold me a staff he said was... I suppose that will have to do.
Don't believe anything. I bought a magic stone. Sure, it's in my pack.
Brother,
When we're through with him, there'll be no... Looks harmless, right? Wait, what's that tingling?
Knapsack.
Are you all right?
They're gone. What powers you must wield.
I just said there is free beer around the corner. Smile. Smile.
Good, good. Time to pack. On my way, yes? What? You expect me to show you now?
Smee Dodla.
Not exactly. Juragdar, would you believe? Nobody. No one with a body anyway. And really, if you don't have a body, well, who is to say, yes? In the ruins. Belerata. Fine, fine, Juragdar will show you. Come, follow me. I found this in Skyrim at the bottom of a lake. A sword with a poem etched into it. Also the name, Belerata. It took so long before I found Belerata. Well, let's begin. Our fates through the years are tied. A lover's kiss, not one denied. Our hearts awoke from blissful sleep, where battles break and maidens weep. Away to war, not long to part, with sword enchanted by his sweetheart. A lover's bond forevermore, to keep it lover's heart in store. Too sweet, even for me. But what can you do, yes? Come, she waits. Hold a moment. We should speak. Before we go, there is something you should know. Last time Juragdar got out by the fur on his tail. The ghosts want her lover to stay forever. But there is a barrier within. Beyond are the treasures of the aliens, locked up for centuries. Nothing like the trinkets I sold. The poem on the sword opens the ruin, yes? More scribbles are all around the ruins. Poetry. Spoken randomly, they do nothing. But if we knew how they fit together, we could open the ruin and share in the plunder. We'll enter separately as paupers, but leave together rich as kings. Aheh! I admit, I do not do this only for you. Until now, I have only been able to, shall we say, receive gifts from her. If even a handful are like the lightning stone, well, good. Take this sword as a symbol of our pact. I want it back later. I will keep her busy. You figure out the poems, and when we get out, we will both be very rich, yes? I have returned, my love.
My love? I cannot... Your sword, where is...
You are tired. Let me come closer.
You are not Verondil. Get back.
You are not Alanwe, yet you called me here. How? Still here after all this time? I had expected them to crumble with the ages. An old knight, Verondil the Gold, they called me. I had lands, titles, slaves, all dust now. Even my love has forgotten me. An army of them. Side by side, they'd stretched from here to the Niben. But that was our downfall. So many slaves. We could not bring them to heel. Not all of them. They killed her before slithering away. She brought me here with words of light, but knew me not. When I went to her, she cast this barrier to keep me and all others away. I have been in this place ever since, waiting. Released from this nightmare, what else? Alanwe remembers only the sword. Its enchantment blinds her to everything else. If I still had the sword, maybe. What? The sword? Give it to me! Were I alive, I could grant you such splendor. Alas, everything is dust. But I am forever in your debt. Alanwe, at long last I return.
Verondil? You have been gone only a day, but it feels like an age.
Each day is an age now.
Yes, true, but you... where have you been?
It is a long story, but come. Aetherius awaits.
Yes, together forever, as was always meant to be.
So long, my friend, and thank you for everything.
Well then, Tchaikovsky.
My head thanks you for your haste. Once the barrier fell, whatever she was doing stopped as well. Truly, I am glad. She was very lonely, and for so long. But enough melancholy, yes, to our spoils. Where's my catalog? I must document my finds.
Now he lost his sword and another one, and also his crazy friends. He lost in everything. He seems to be just Aussie.
Hope you don't mind getting your feet wet.
Give it your all.
The artifacts Jurekdar allowed me to examine, aren't they fascinating? Aliens, an ancient place of power on Somerset Isle.
Form a ring. This must be the place. More sparkles. Ooh, is that another note? What'd you find? Is that a map of some sort?
Need to go. Thanks for one. Until tomorrow morning. Or this afternoon at Alu. Bye. The work is calling me, PFF, what pity live.